Alrighty, guys. Give me a thumbs up in chat if you guys can hear me okay. We're gonna go ahead and get started here. Hope my audio's coming through here. It's gonna be a quick update. If I'm talking, I hope that I have sound coming through. My microphone's been giving me issues, but we're going to get started anyway. Let's go ahead and dive in here to our radar. We have light snow across the state currently, centered across south central Michigan, Grand Rapids, Mount Pleasant, Tri City areas, Lansing, Kalamazoo, all across South Central Michigan. On radar here, it doesn't look very heavy at all. And you're right, it's not very heavy at all. We have some heavier bands up here by Holland or Grand Rapids area, but overall across the state, not very heavy snow, but accumulating snowfall. It's very fine and very fluffy. Going over here to Detroit, we do have some brighter banding here closer to Lake St. Clair into Ontario, Sarnia, Lake Huron area. This snow will continue for a few more hours here. It's going to blanket, it has blanketed and will blanket the entire state. And then as we move into the evening, into tonight, we're going to be looking at the future forecast here. I'm going to share my screen. For those of you just tuning in, just doing a quick update here in terms of the models, all that jazz. So this is the forecasted future accumulations between now and tomorrow morning. Kind of back this up here. So this is through the evening. We're going to start seeing some more snow accumulate there in eastern Michigan. An additional 1 to 2 inches is likely here into what's on the ground already, what's fallen. It'll continue to fall overnight tonight before ending by sunrise Saturday morning. And again, notice here in West Michigan, we have lake effect snow kicking up here. So for you guys over there from like Muskegon, Ottawa, Allegan, Van Buren counties, and also up here by Traverse City, up here by Munising as well. You guys are not done with the snow tonight. You guys will have lake effect for tomorrow. But for you guys over here from points east of US 131, you guys will have the snow for the evening. And by the time you wake up, it should be done falling. But again, looking at the future forecast here, we have areas of 1 to 2 inches of additional accumulation across much of South and especially Southeast Michigan. And if you're very close to Canada or Lake Erie, Lake Huron, Lake St. Clair, perhaps sneaking a little bit higher than 2 inches in spots. Looking at future here, we do a forecast one more time here, 1 to 3 inches is our forecast. So we may overachieve that. We could see isolated 4. I've already seen reports of an inch, inch and a half, perhaps 2 inches in spots out there. So potential for overachievement is there for Southeast Michigan. If we can get 4 inches out of this, I think a lot of us will be pretty happy out of that. But for the most part, the forecast does appear to be on track. We posted last night. I don't see any major changes with that. But overall, that is still a good look here for us. Let's go ahead and look into a couple things into the future here. Well, not the future, but a few of the current conditions, should I say. We just looked at the future. Let's go back to the current conditions here. And the big emphasis tonight is going to still be on our traffic, the road conditions. All the exclamation points you see here on this map indicate a accident is at that location. But turn off the cameras here. You're going to see just how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 currently. We had as many as 17 earlier this evening. So we're kind of slowing down, maybe. But again, these are just main highways here. So we have a couple up here in Grand Rapids on 196. We have one down here on 131. We have one up here at 96 near Olivet. Over here in the Detroit Metro, we have multiple. We have one here on 94 and 275, down here again on 75. There's just so many here. We have multiple on I-75 south of Flint. It's just the point of emphasis tonight is just if you're out on the roads there, just take it easy. There's no reason to speed to get where you're going. And I think a lot of people have this mindset where, oh, it's only 1 to 3 inches. It's not going to be that big of a deal. And that's the mindset that will trick you because no matter if it's 2 inches of snow on the road or a foot of snow, it's going to be slick. So take it easy if you're going out there. There's a lot of accidents. This is just main highways. The rural areas in each county has plenty more accidents coming in. We've had a lot of counties report, a lot of police scanner reports of these accidents. If we had to guess, probably over 300 accidents this evening across Michigan, probably a lot higher than that. So overall, that's what's up tonight. Additional 1 to 2 for Southeast Michigan, lake effect for tomorrow. I will highlight 2 things for you guys before I hop out of here. If you have traffic or accident reports, we have a group dedicated for that. It is called Michigan Traffic and Accident Reports. It looks like this. It is not a page. It is a group. We have this designed for you guys as Michiganders to pop in here and post your road conditions or ask about road conditions. We would highly recommend pushing you guys over there if you have anything road related. to ask or to share. Now, if you have snowfall reports, we have another group for you. It's called Michigan Weather Reports. It looks like this. And again, it's a group, not a page, but this is what it looks like. The banner should look the same. And this is for you guys to share your pictures, reports, snowfall measurements, the whole nine. So feel free to pop in these groups. We would highly recommend doing that. Or you can use the comment section on our page too. If you don't want to join groups, that's fine. The comment section is always open for you guys, as well as our messenger box. But we would prefer you guys hop in these groups and share your content there when you have snow or accident report related things to share. With that being said, I'm going to pop out of here. I just want to hop on, give you guys a quick update. That's all I got. As a recap for those just joining, kind of rewatch the first couple minutes of the video. Overall, light snow continues. It'll end tomorrow morning. Lake effect prone areas in West Michigan and the UP here will accumulate snow through today, tomorrow. Real conditions are bad. Take it easy. And if you have things to share, we have groups for you guys. With that being said, you guys take it easy, stay safe, enjoy the snow. I'll catch you guys tomorrow here at MSC on Facebook and YouTube.